Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems, home of the Access Point heat exchangers and Blue Baron truck mounts. And it's been really busy during this season. We've got a lot of builds going on. We got the new entry-level Aviator, which is in the process of being built. And in between that time, before I built the header, a customer came along and wanted to get a 1.5 inlet heat exchanger, which is ready to go out. We just have to pack it up nice and neatly, and it's going out with a pulse hose, gaskets, the appropriate nuts that hold it on the flange. And the basic thing is that he just wants a 22 horse, he has a 22 horse Predator at home in his home shop, and he needs to have a header built. So we use these Kohler style flanges, and they perfectly match up with the whole pattern as far as center to center on the threaded shanks. It's 1.5, so it steps from a 1 inch up to a 1.5. We have an intermediate, and this is for a correction for both sides, because sometimes when you build these headers solid, it doesn't always work out the way you want. You might be missing one side, it will expand and move over, and it's a matter of tacking it in different areas. So what we did is we went up to into the 1.5. As you can see, there's the 1.5 female couplings, all stainless header, and we got the intermediate pipe that matches it up. So there's two pipe flanges here that is met in the middle with a 1 7/8 stainless flex, and it just works out really good, So the people out there that need Honda engine headers built, we can do that for you, as well as the many Kohler engines that we sell along with our units. And we're busy putting this Predator, this is our Predator engine for our Aviator 36. We're in the process of finishing this unit up. It's an entry-level unit. And then, of course, we've been really busy with our 47s. We got a couple 47 builds going on. And in the back, we have the compact 45 frame that just came in from our powder coat division. So in essence, it's been really busy. We've just been really busy. We got other heat exchangers going out as well. So in the event that you need a really nice stainless header, we do Kohler and Honda, and we'll do other engines as well, but it's typically we build for the Honda Predator and the Honda engine, as well as for the Kohlers. We're doing that all the time because that's what we use for our Blue Barons. So call us today. It's 727-505-2989, and we'll get you set up with a beautiful header. We're the only ones in the nation that do the split header stainless, some of the finest headers, exhaust headers in the industry. And look up online at truckmountstore.com, and we got plenty of accessories and heaters that are tailored for your truck mount. Call us today, and we'll get you on the way to either saving money not buying a new truck mount, but also to buy a new truck mount. Beautiful units. Thank you.